Are you new to the gym but don't know where to begin? Here's 4 things to consider before getting started. Hey guys, I'm Lexi with Inertia Fitness Co. Most people skip the gym because they're either intimidated, uncomfortable, or don't know what to do. So today we're going to cover the 4 basics of going to the gym to help you become more consistent. First, always wipe down the equipment after you use it to maintain cleanliness. You can find the cleaning supplies at the various stations scattered around the gym. Second, make sure to re-rack your weights. After using free weights, such as dumbbells or plates, always put them back after using them. Helps keep the gym organized and lets others know that you're done using that piece of equipment. Next, try to limit some cell phone usage. It's totally okay if you need to answer a text or switch a song that you're listening to, but just try to be mindful of those around you. If you have to take a call, clean off your equipment and go to a less crowded area. Make sure to give others space to work out comfortably. Try to avoid blocking any mirrors or standing too close to someone. If you suspect someone is using a piece of equipment, make sure you ask before you hop on and start exercising. Stepping into the gym for the first time can be intimidating. Here's a few tips on overcoming gym anxiety. First, make sure to take a big, deep breath in and out. Remember that everyone in the gym has been in your shoes and we've all had to start somewhere. Next, pick an outfit that you feel confident and comfortable in. When you look good, you feel good too. Plan your workout ahead of time. Knowing exactly what exercises you're going to do will help you ease those nerves and put you in control. Don't be shy to ask the gym staff for help about equipment, exercises, or where things are located in the facility. They're there to help you. Bringing a gym buddy can make the experience way less scary while also keeping you accountable. And finally, celebrate each victory no matter how small. You got this. Having a proper warm-up and cool-down is often the most skipped part of the workout, but definitely the most important. The warm-up helps prime your muscles and joints by increasing blood flow. This is also great for decreasing your risk of injury. Incorporating a proper cool-down can help reduce muscle soreness while also promoting a faster recovery time. Here's a full-body warm-up and cool-down. First, we got cat-cow, 90-90 hip switch, world's greatest stretch, bird dogs, and glute bridges. First for the cool down, thread the needle, couch stretch, and the lying piriformis stretch. Here are 7 basic movement patterns that you should never skip. First, you always want to include a squat. So this is going to target your entire lower body, so your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also engaging your core. Next, we have upper push movements. So these are going to target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. So you can do a bench press, shoulder press, or tricep extension. You also want to incorporate a pull movement. So this is your lat pull down and bent over row. These are going to target your upper back, mid-back, and biceps. So any lunging movements are going to target your legs, especially the quads and glutes. You can do any variation like this one shown here, or you can add dumbbells if you want to make it a little tougher. You always want to incorporate a hinge variation, so this can be an RDL like I'm showing here, a glute bridge, hip thrust, or deadlift. Last but not least, we have the core exercises. So starting with our Russian twist, shoulder taps, and toe touches. Incorporating all of these types of core exercises will help target the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis. Including these movements in your workouts throughout the week will ensure that you have a well-rounded program. Hopefully these 4 things will help you ease that gym anxiety and help give you more confidence in the gym. But if you have any more questions, please ask them below.